It would be very unfair if I don't ask this question, especially in the current scenarios, because there's a lot of talk about AI in general, right? And how AI is going to shape and affect some of the industries. Some people are worried about losing their jobs, etc. And so how do you see AI shaping the agriculture industry or coffee industry in general?
Globally, if you see, India still the technology penetration in agriculture sector is very, very less.
Correct.
So whatever farming practices that we adapt and still practicing are very old traditional practices. There is less than 10% of technology used by our farmers.
Okay.
The reason being, most of the farmers are all fragmented farmers.
Okay.
So adapting a technology for a small farm holding will be expensive. So Government of India, that's why they're encouraging this custom hiring centers where they can hire the required equipments on a rental basis. But however, these latest technology like blockchain, AI, machine learning, so it has its own opportunities. So when I talk about coffee alone, so the sorting and grading,
Right.
so still it is done in a manual way.
Correct.
Or whatever technology that we are using, it is not to the level that where other countries have adapted.
Right.
So just imagine if some company develops a solution which is based on image processing, which can identify the good quality beans just by checking its color, pattern.
Right.
So a lot of manual thing can be ruled out.
Right.
And also it becomes more efficient, and that can help us to improve our production cycle, and we can start competing with the other global markets.
Right.
So yes, technology will definitely make us to get better things. Few people may lose jobs, but it's not just with agriculture. AI is coming everywhere. So whatever happens, it's for good. And I see there's a lot of opportunity in India to adapt technology in agriculture domain.
So Praveen, you can probably walk through a little bit of what are the facilities available at AIC here in Bangalore or anywhere else where you've set up an incubation center. I think it's good for startups to know what kind of support, physical infrastructural support that you're able to provide as well.
So we are located in the Coffee Board head office in Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Veedi, Bangalore. So we are having walkable distance. We have Kabban Park metro station, and very good access to other public transport as well. And our incubation center is spread across 10,000 square feet. So we have product development lab where the bean to cup process, whatever equipments are there, so it is there. And when we do hands-on training programs, we make these participants to use those machines, gadgets, and they learn about all these basic equipments that is required for running a cafe or brewing a good quality coffee.
Okay.
And we also have a co-working space. We have 61-seater co-working space with all plug-and-play setup. So anybody who don't want to invest too much money on the office setup, and if they have a small team and they want to just come and work, so we have all the facilities.
I think it's very well situated as well, right in the center.
Yeah, prime location. And we also have a conference room that can accommodate about 40 people.
Okay.
And we have mini conference room also, which can accommodate about 6 to 8 people.
Nice.
And we have a modular cafe. So this cafe is very unique. So somebody who goes through the cafe concept or training program where they want to set up their own cafe, so before even they invest their hard-earned money and invest on land or take it on rent, hire a team, so they can rent our cafe itself.
Nice.
So we have all the machines, whatever basic infrastructure required for a cafe is already there. They just have to come with their supplies, brew coffee, bring their customers and serve them, or even they can serve to our own coffee board officials. We will give them feedback, how good or bad their coffee is, and we can give them suggestion. They can take it on a rent for 1 day, 1 week or a month also. Once they are confident, yes, I can go back and invest my hard-earned money to set up a cafe, they can do it.
Great.
So this is one unique thing where you don't find in any other incubators. It's like a test bed for them.
Right.
Apart from that, we also have private cabins. If startups have already a team and they need some privacy and they want to have privacy for their team meetings and also we have private cabins as well.
Great.
Apart from that, our incubators also get access to our quality department labs, and we have in-house experts from Coffee Board And also we have a very good mentors pool.
Nice.
And we have empaneled chartered accountant. He keeps visiting frequently to our AIC office. So the startups need not worry about the compliances and other regulatory aspects. So their headache can be taken by our consultants. Even for IPR, we have attorney.
Right.
So startups can focus only on their core innovation development.
And development and selling. I think you got the whole basket over there, right? From a test bed, trying to be able to build an MVP as well.
Yeah.
Plus, customers. I mean, you have people at Coffee Board who can give you feedback.
Yeah.
I think the only thing that the startup needs to do is innovate and sell. I think that's what they need to do.